Thank you so much for watching Rishtel Tales. This is Richa. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, consider subscribing before leaving. Now today's video is all about a Triple S haul. This is the second experience I've had with Triple S. I had ordered Triple S almost a month ago and I had shared with you guys what all I bought, but just fortunately the experience was really good then, but the delivery and everything was on track. I got the items pretty quickly as well, so I thought why not order again. Also the quality of the materials which I had bought was pretty decent too. I washed them 3-4 times already and the materials not that bad if you consider the price. I did a rather homely shopping, which is, you know, for just basic houseware, because we are all at home and the lockdown's slowly opening up. Things are starting to open now, but we are still at home at the end of the day, so I wanted something super comfortable and something which I can wear at home. So let's get started with seeing what all I got. I just said that I have bought shorts, so these are the first set of shorts which I bought. These are pretty cute, I would say. These are in the color lilac and my size is small. So I had initially ordered an extra small but with the help of the size chart, but that turned out to be really short for me lengthwise. So I exchanged this and this came in return. So this is short and this is like the perfect size for me. The length is perfect, the material is good, it's super soft, so you can totally wear it at home. The elastic, it's pretty stretchable. I'm not really happy with the Nada here. Like, this was totally not required because no one wants to tie this at home, especially not me, but that's okay. I mean, it's just something which I would have done without, but now that it's there, it's there. There's also an option of just taking it out, but I don't think I'm gonna do that, so I'll leave it on. Second pair of shorts which I bought were these shorts right here. They're in beige color, beige cream color. They are pretty comfortable too. These I haven't worn yet, but the material is super soft, the colors nice for just staying at home, and the elastic is pretty good as well. This is in size small again. The length is just perfect. I don't like super long shorts, like, you know, the ones which are till the knee, etc. No, not into those. And super short ones also are pretty uncomfortable if you just want to take a stroll in your apartment area, etc. So these are perfect, and it's cotton again. So these are, you know, one of those shorts which you can wear at home and also go downstairs if you have to outside and still be okay with. Both the shorts are so comfortable and amazing. My size is small in this because I have a waist which is 26-27. So if you guys are my waist, then small is like the perfect size for you. Otherwise you can obviously go through the size chart, but it could be slightly deceiving at times. Because I had already ordered the shorts, I wanted to get like a gunji as well, which is again great for summers. So I found this lilac gunji top, which is actually a tank top, but yes, and it's in small size again. This is lilac again, and I think I have a lot of lilacs now, but this is like a perfect summer color. So I haven't worn this yet, but it's amazing. When I tried it on, it feels super comfortable, it looks good. You can pair it up with pretty much anything: jeans, shorts, skirts, denim, no denim, doesn't matter, it's gonna go on everything. The price of which was also really affordable, so I loved this purchase. The next top is this cute little crop top which is in orange color. I think I'm more comfortable with black, grey, white, blue, pink, purple, lilacs now, and yeah, reds. That's about it. So I wanted to get this orange one because yes, the color, and of course the material is just like I showed you the lilac gunji and the shorts. The material same, and it's a crop top, so it's perfect for summers, and I like the color, so that's the reason I bought this. This will look great on high-waisted jeans or skirts, and I can't wait to wear this one. Also the crop tops range is humongous, so if you guys love crop tops, you can definitely check out this. Now from the entire lot of the things I've bought, probably 5 things, the most favorite one is this top. This is again in neon green. I was thinking it's gonna be neon yellow, but it turned out to be green. This is so pretty. It's like one of those Zara tops, but of course it's not, and it's so much more economical. The material is great. It's super soft. I love the neck. It's like a diamond shaped neck, and the way it stays on the body, it stays put like crazy. Looks so good. It's so elegant. I love the color. I love the fitting, the material. I just love everything about this top. I think it's one of those buys which you just instantly see and like. It was probably one of those tops for me. I did mess up a little bit the last time I bought the dress from the site, which was actually the black and white checks dress. It was not in cotton, though it was sleeveless. So this time I was really particular about which pieces I'm buying. So the thing with Triple S is you have to be really conscious about which pieces you're getting, and I think their tops and their crop tops are the best things you can buy from their website. Oh yes, and by the way, I've also ordered a pair of shoes. Those are actually just loafers, not shoes, and it's been over a month and a half. I haven't received those yet. So this time the delivery was really bad. It was super slow. Even these things more than a month to reach me. I think it's because of the lockdown, how it is in Delhi and how bad it is in Maharashtra currently. I think Triple S is way behind when it comes to delivering products on time. This time it was really bad. So if you're wanting to get something right now, I would suggest you hold on, wait it out. Once the restrictions are all held up and they are back on track, then you guys probably can order. Otherwise you have to wait for really long for all the products to come reach you, and then in case if there's an exchange, then even more time. So it's just gonna be a hassle for you guys as well, just like it was for me this time. I'm never gonna be shopping from this particular site because I think the best they could offer, I have bought all of that, I've tried it, and I wouldn't want to shop in the future from this website, at least for say a year now. Guys, that's as far as today's Triple S video is concerned. Do hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before leaving. This is Richa signing out. Until next time, I'll come back with another haul. Bye bye.